Hello guys, today I show you how you can save the planet but also the money. You see the nice foam on the top? Spectacular. Okay, I will show you first this version. They are the same company, but this one for me is the best choice. In the box you find 6 stainless steel original capsules, 100 aluminum lids, 1 wood storage tray with a silicone holder that can keep fresh your coffee powder, plus 1 spoon and plus 1 brush. They give you also extra O-ring because the capsule have also a kind of O-ring here to avoid the water pass in the wrong area. Okay, let's try it. I will use Italian coffee because I am in Apulia. We use Quarta, that is a local coffee. It's a coffee for espresso machine, so you take your spoon. Don't worry if you do in a dish like this, if something go out, you can collect it after. Now with a brush you remove the extra, like this, that, and now we can put the aluminium lid. When you are not doing the video like me, it's much easier. You can do also with your fingers like this. And voila, your capsule is ready. With this set you can prepare 6, and because there is this silicone container, you can preserve it very fresh. When you prepare, maybe you can store in the fridge like I do. Okay, now that I'm preparing the last one, I let you know also some numbers. 10 cups of this Quarta coffee, this Italian coffee, you pay €3.60. So this means 36 cents for one coffee. 250 grams of this coffee, a bag like this, you pay €3.85. One coffee using this capsule will cost you only 8 cents. But the main thing is not only to save the money, but also to make your special combination, because some people are able to roast the proper coffee or mix different kind of coffee, and after you will have your spectacular coffee decided by you. If you want to save some money, this is the alternative. They give you 2 stainless steel original capsules, but very important, you will miss the wood storage tray that can preserve your coffee powder. So for me it's better the first option with 6, that you pay $25, and this one with only 2 you pay $13. Somebody will ask, but when we finish our 100 lids, what we can do? You can buy only the lids. Foam spectacular, the smell also. Remember, if you try this kind of tools, let us know down in the comment your opinion, or if you find someone even better, let us know down in the comment. Maybe I can do another comparison. Bye bye. Spectacular.